Mochen Mandir. The place is just 1 minute walking distance from Songkhet Mochen. I stayed here with my family and the responsive staff was really professional. Room was great, amenities was great. On top of that, the manager of this hotel has allowed us 2 hours late checkout as my train was at 2 p.m. We'll sure visit next time. A great place to stay at Varanasi. Exceptional stay was good. Thumbs up, smiley face. Best staff, very good service. Exceptional. I finalized the hotel after searching for some days. Firstly, I looked near Godalia Chowk, but I changed my mind after reading the reviews about cleanliness, parking, service and other factors. I shortlisted this hotel based on positive reviews of service and cleanliness, and I am glad I didn't regret my decision. Songkhet Mochen Mandir is at about 25 meters distance. There is some traffic issue on Tuesdays and Saturdays due to Mandir, but this issue was noticed all over Varanasi as well. The behavior of support staff is the most positive part of this hotel. They were ready to help at any time with utmost eagerness. The room north the pathway were regularly clean. You can definitely give a try to this hotel if it suits your criteria and are confused between some other hotels as well. Excellent, good. Good hotel and quite comfortable. We needed to be close to BHU and this hotel fitted the bill. The staff were very friendly and provided a very good and comfortable stay. We'll be staying here again next year. Excellent, good location. We enjoyed our trip with helpful staffs. Good location next to railway station and main market. Moderate breakfast need improvement to match 3-star. Quantity of food versus price need review, especially rice items. Laundry charge is exorbitant.